Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com. Up first, the People's National Party now has its first ever female chairman. Dr. Angela Brown Burke, Member of Parliament for St. Andrews South West, was elected to the post on Saturday. More from Dwayne Anderson.
Dr. Angela Brown Burke became the PNP's first female chairman when she secured the most votes at a meeting of the party's National Executive Council at Kendall Camp in Manchester.
For the chairmanship, we had a total of 268 votes. Comrade Angela Brown Burke had 147 votes and Comrade Dali 121. I am proud today because this movement gave the country the first female leader of a political party, the first female prime minister, and now the first female chairman.
Dr. Brown Burke reacted to the figurative breaking of the glass ceiling moment for women in the 83-year-old political organization.
I did not come into the race for it, but I am indeed pleased and honored to be the first female chairman of the People's National Party. People were concerned about what this would mean for mashing up the party and for disunity. And we thought that we had an opportunity to show Jamaicans and to prove to ourselves that as a democratic party, we could have an internal elections that is just under 300 persons who are going to vote. And we can do it without tearing down one another. We can do it without damaging the party. You know, we all thought that if we left the party even a little bit stronger after the election than we came in, then it would have been worth it. And I am pleased today to see where we are.
Horace Daly, a former MP for Clarendon Northern, has been acting as chairman of the PNP since July after Philip Paul resigned. But he was unsuccessful in his official bid for the position.
She is the winner, but the party won today. You saw the friendship between both camps. We were right here together. Let me say to all comrades, these internal elections are now over. And it is now to focus on the work of the People's National Party to bring back the unity in the party. That was my only objective in offering myself, to try to reach out, to bridge the gap.
In a public show of unity, Dr. Brown Burke and Mr. Daly were spotted posing for pictures together. Dr. Floyd Morris, the former president of the Senate, who was also the first visually impaired holder of that office, will also serve as deputy chairman of the PNP. Another 11 executive positions were also confirmed during Saturday's vote. The results will be formalized after a recount. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.